Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 9 matriculation syllabus or Samachir Kalvi syllabus. I am doing first chapter set language. In that 4 exercises already I have completed. I am in 5th exercise now, exercise 1.5. In that one sum in my previous class I have completed. Now I will do the second sum. So second sum is if k is equal to a, b, d, e, f. Okay, set of elements in K is given. Similarly, set of elements in L are B, C, D and G. Then M is equal to A, B, C, D, H. Then find 4 questions are given and one more thing is verify distributive laws. These are the things we are asked to find out. Okay. Now, first sum. First sum is K union L intersection M. K union L intersection M. Okay, so first we will find what is L intersection M. So L, set of L is B, C, D and G. These are the elements of L. Intersection M is, elements of M are A, B, C, D and H. These are the elements of H. Intersection means common elements between both the sets. So the common element between both the sets are B, C, D. So these 3 elements are common for both the sets. So L intersection M is B, C and D. So now we will find the answer for this. That is K union L intersection M. So set of elements in K are A, B, D, E and F. Union. That is only given. Union L intersection M. L intersection M is B, C, D. So the answer for this is, we are asked to find the union of both the sets. Even for this, we have to find the common elements so that we can write that common elements only one time. So B and D are common to both the sets. So the value for this is, when we combine both the set, we will get A, B, C, D, E, F. So these are the elements for K union L intersection M. Then second sum. Second sum is K intersection L union M. Second sum is K intersection L union M. So first we will find L union M. So elements of L are B, C, D, G. Union. Set of elements in M are A, B, C, D and H. So union means combining both the elements. So B is common, C, D is common, C, D. So these are the elements that are common to both the sets. So L union M is A, B, C, D. A I have written B, C, D over then G, H. So this is L union M. Then K intersection L union M is equal to, elements of K are A, B, D, E, F. Intersection L union M is A, B, C, D, G and H. So intersection is common elements we will take. A is common, B is common, then D, then that's all. A, B, D. So these 3 elements are common. So the answer for this is A, B, D. Okay, so second one is over. Now third sum. Third sum is K union L intersection K union M. So first we will find K union L. So K union L is elements of K first. Elements of K are A, B, D, E, F. This is elements of K. Union, elements of L are B, C, D and G. So union means combining both the sets. So in this, B is common, B and D are common. So we will write that one time. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So this is K union L. Now K union M we will do. So elements of K are A, B, D, E, F. Union. Elements of M are A, B, C, D and H. So union. K union M. So in this, common elements are A, B, D. That's all. A, B, D. So we will write that. We will repeat that only one time. So A, B, C, D, E, F, H. So this is K union M. Okay. So now we will find K union L intersection K union M. Now K union L is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. Intersection K union M is A, B, C, D, E, F and H. So intersection of both the sets we have to write. So intersection of both the sets is A is common, B is common, C is common, D is common, E is common, F is common. So all these elements we will get for this answer. A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay. So this is third one answer. Now we will do the fourth one. Fourth one is K intersection L union K intersection M. K intersection L union K intersection M. So first one is K intersection L. K intersection L. So elements of K are A, B, D, E, F. Intersection L. Elements of L are B, C, D and G. Now common elements between these two sets is B is common, D is common. So only B and D. That is K intersection L is B, D. Only B and D. Okay. Now K intersection M. So elements of K are A, B, D, E, F. Intersection. Elements of M are A, B, C, D and H. So the common elements between these two sets, since it is intersection, common element is A, B, D. A, B, D. So this is equal to A, B, D. So now we will find the intersection, that is union of both the sets. That is K intersection L union K intersection M. This is equal to K intersection L is B and D union K intersection M is A, B, D. So in this we will get B and D as common for both the elements. So the answer for this is, that is we have to find the union of the sets. So A, B, D. This is the answer for this one. Okay. So 4 sums I have completed in this. The fifth one is we are asked to verify the distributive property. So what is distributive property? Distributive property is K union L intersection M is equal to K union L intersection K union M. This is one distributive property, and the next one is opposite we will get, that is K intersection L union M is equal to K intersection L union K intersection M. This is the thing we are asked to prove. This is only distributive property. So whatever we need here in the distributive property already we have verified. So we will write and just to verify that. So K union L intersection M, that is LHS. For that the answer is given as, answer we got it as A, B, C, D, E, F is equal to K union L intersection K union M. What is the answer for that? We got same thing only. A, B, C, D, E, F. So this is only distributive property. The first thing we have proved. The next one is this one. K intersection L union M. So that is K intersection L union M is A, B and D. This is A, B and D. So K intersection L union K intersection M. So this one we got it as A, B and D. And the other one is K intersection L union K intersection M. That is only RHS. So that proof also we have given already. The answer for that is A, B and D. So we are asked to verify the distributive property. We have verified it. Third sum is A is equal to X such that X belongs to Z. Z is integers. Minus 2 less than X less than or equal to 4. B is equal to X such that X belongs to W. W are whole numbers. X less than or equal to 5. C is equal to minus 4 minus 1 0 2 3 4. Okay, then verify that A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. So before doing this, we need to know the elements of A and B. It is given in set builder form. So first we will find the elements of A. It is given Z, that is integers, minus 2 less than X less than or equal to 4. So we will get the values of elements of A are minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 less than or equal to. So it is 4. Then B is equal to X such that X belongs to whole numbers. That means it starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It is given less than or equal to. Then elements of C, already it is given minus 4, minus 1, 0, 2, 3 and 4. So now we will find this one. Whatever they are asked to prove, that we will prove. So for that we will take LHS first. So LHS is A union B intersection C. So for this we need B intersection C first. So B intersection C is equal to elements of B are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is B. Intersection C. Elements of C are minus 4, minus 1, 0, 0, 2, 3, 4. So these are the elements of C. These are the elements of C. So now we will find B intersection C. That is intersection elements of both the set we will see. B intersection C. So the common elements are 0 is common, 2 is common to both, 3 and 4. 3 and 4. So B intersection C is 0, 2, 3 and 4. So this is B intersection C. Now we will find A union B intersection C. So elements of A are minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Union B intersection C, just now we found, that is 0, 2, 3 and 4. So the answer for this is, that is LHS. The answer for this is union. You have to combine both the elements. Even for that, common elements we will find and write it one time. So LHS is minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the LHS value. Okay, so now we will find the RHS. So the RHS is given as RHS is equal to A union B intersection A union C. So first we will find A union B. So elements of A are -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Union. Elements of B are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now A union B. So union is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4 common elements. So we will write that one time. -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is A union B. Then A union C, that is -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Union elements of C are -4, -1, 0, 2, 3, 4. So the common elements are -1, 0, 2, 3 and 4. 3 and 4. So A union C is -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. -1, -4 is also there. So -4, -4, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now we will find A union B intersection A union C. So A union B is -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Intersection A union C is -4, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So common elements between these two sectors, common elements are -1 is common, -1 is common, 0, then 1, then 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is, that is RHS is -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is our LHS value. LHS value is -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And our RHS value is also -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are asked to verify that. We have verified it. Okay. So with this, I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.